If you're a beginner, these drum fills might not be for you, but feel free to watch these anyway. What's up everyone, CJ here, I hope you're all doing well. I'm not gonna do too much talking in this video because in this drum lesson I'm gonna show you 5 kind of advanced sextuplet drum fills. Sextuplets are 16th note triplets that are played in groups of 6. So for every quarter note beat there are 6 notes. Sextuplets are one of my favorite subdivisions to play in drum fills because they create a very fluid sound. Now before we get started, all my channel members out there can download everything from this lesson, including the transcriptions and the drum tracks via the link in the member community tab. So if you want to get access to some extra content, consider joining the channel membership. Okay guys, let's start with fill number 1. Alright, the sticking for this fill is right, left, left, kick, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, kick, right, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, kick, right, left. And then you're back at the 1 again. Pay close attention to the ghost notes. Dynamics is key for a good sounding drum fill. Okay, that's the first fill, everyone. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. Alright, you guys, fill number 2. In this drum fill, we'll incorporate the hi-hat. The sticking for this fill is kick and right together. Left, right, left, left, kick. Right, left, left, kick. Right, left, right, kick, left. Notice that quarter note break with the left hand on beat 4, so make sure you don't rush the fill. Here we go, guys. Awesome, you guys. Time for fill number 3. Okay, so the sticking for this fill is right, left, left, kick. Right, left, kick. Right, left, kick. Right, left, kick. And then you're back at the 1. All right, guys, let's do this. Okay, so if you've made it this far in the video and you're not a subscriber yet, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out whenever I post a video. Fill number 4. As you may have noticed this far in the video, some of these fills almost have the same sticking, but it's all about how you phrase the drum fill. The sticking in this fill uses the same sticking as the previous fill, but it goes like this. Right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left. Notice that this fill ends with an 8th note on the and of 4. Here we go. Alright my friends, we have arrived at the last fill of this lesson. This last fill is made up of 2 groups of 9 and 1 group of 6. This fill is based off of the 6-stroke roll, and the sticking for this is kick and right together, left, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, kick and right together, left, left, right, right, left, right, left, left, kick and right together, left, left, right, right, left, and then you're back at the 1. Let's do this. That's it, my friends. I hope you enjoy these sextuplet-based fills. As a reminder, if you become a channel member, you can download everything from this lesson via the link in the member community tab. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated whenever I release a new video. Now, you might want to apply these drum fills to some funky grooves, so therefore you should check out this video as well. Thank you so much for watching, everyone, and good luck with your drumming. I'll see you soon.